the expression x raised to 2/3 is equivalent to. So always remember, when you have fractional exponents, yung ating denominator will be our index, then yung ating numerator will be our power. So this is equal to the cube root of x squared. So that is letter D in the choices. If the absolute value of 2x minus 3 equals 7, x is equal to what value? So always remember, when you're dealing with absolute value, include your negative and positive values. So this is just equal to 2x minus 3 equals 7, and the other one will be 2x minus 3 equals negative 7. And then you just solve for x, meron kang 2x equals 10. So yung x natin will be 5. The other one, meron kang 2x minus 4. This gives you x equals negative 2. So which among the choices merong 5 or negative 2? That is just letter A, okay? So another thing to do it is we're going to use our trial and error. So ang gagawin mo, you just pick any number here or any choice and then i-plug mo yung value ng x. So example, we're gonna put back negative 2 dito. This becomes 2 negative 2 minus 4. Absolute value. This gives you negative 4 minus 3. That is again absolute value of negative 7. And alam natin, pag absolute value, that is always positive. So again, ang ating sagot is letter A, negative 2. 81. Company A invested 10,000 pesos in a bond that yields 10% per annum. How much more money do they need to invest in another bond that yields 5% if they want to earn 1,500 pesos in a year? So dito, meron kang investment. So lagyan lang natin A, tapos 10,000 pesos yan, and then yields 10% per year. So ano yung interest niya? Yung interest ng A, that is just 10,000 times 10% or 0.10. So ilan yan lahat? That gives you 1,000, right? That gives you 1,000. Ito yung ating interest for A. And then we are aiming na meron tayong 1,500 na interest. So meaning to say, ang kailangan na lang natin is 500. So 500 equals 5% of something. 5% of x. So how to solve for x? Divide lang natin everything by 0.05. 0.05. Yung x natin will become 10,000. So yung sagot natin will be letter B. This 282. Log of 8 base x equals 3. So again, always remember, logs is equal to exponents. Ang dito, you are just asked, ano yung number that when raised to 3 gives you 8? So ano yung number daw that when raised to 3 will give you 8? Alam natin this is just 2. So ang sagot dito is letter A, 2. Follow for more.